Erotomania, also known as de Clérambauld's syndrome, is a rare psychiatric disorder characterized by a delusional belief that someone, typically of higher social status or fame, is in love with the individual experiencing the delusion. This false belief persists despite lack of evidence or rational explanation. The object of the delusion is often someone the individual has had limited or no personal contact with, such as a celebrity, a public figure, or a person in a position of authority. The symptoms of erotomania can vary, but they typically include delusional belief. The person firmly believes that the object of their affection is in love with them, even in the absence of any evidence or reciprocation. They may interpret innocent actions or gestures as signs of love or secret communication. Fixation on the target. The individual becomes preoccupied with the object of their delusion, spending a significant amount of time thinking about them, researching them, or trying to establish contact. They may stalk the person or make repeated attempts to communicate with them, despite receiving no response or negative feedback. Grandiosity. People with erotomania often develop a grandiose sense of self-importance or destiny. They may believe that their love for the target is unique and transcendent, and that they have a special connection or mission with the person. Rejection denial. Even when faced with clear evidence of rejection or disinterest from the object of their delusion, individuals with erotomania tend to deny or reinterpret the rejection. They may attribute it to external factors, conspiracy theories, or believe that the target is hiding their true feelings. Emotional distress. Erotomania can cause significant emotional distress, as the individual's beliefs and actions often lead to social isolation, rejection from family and friends, and legal consequences due to stalking or harassment behavior. The person may also experience anxiety, depression, or anger when their delusion is challenged. It's important to note that erotomania is a psychiatric disorder and not a result of a consensual mutual attraction or relationship. It requires a professional diagnosis by a qualified mental health professional, and treatment usually involves a combination of medication and psychotherapy to address the underlying delusions and associated symptoms.